For over 13 years, Faronics Deep Freeze has helped thousands of IT professionals effortlessly manage millions of computers. Our patented technology maintains the desired settings on any PC or Mac to ensure 100% availability and reduce IT support tickets by 63%. No need to re-image or restore from backups. No need to lock down your computers. Faronics Deep Freeze freezes computers in a desired state to prevent accidental system misconfiguration, ongoing software issues, and incidental system degradation. Faronics Deep Freeze now offers even more features to enhance and protect your computing environment. Windows updates are even easier to automate. Deep Freeze automatically downloads Windows updates even when protection is enabled. Schedule your other software updates with Deep Freeze and forget about them. You can choose to retain data across reboots. Simply redirect and safely store user or application data on non-system or network drives. Create virtual storage drives. Deploy and manage Deep Freeze via a robust enterprise console or use the comprehensive built-in command line interface to manage Deep Freeze from within the most popular desktop management systems such as Microsoft SCCM, Dell Case, Spiceworks, Symantec Altiris, and Apple Remote Desktop. Get Faronics Deep Freeze today. Protect your computers by maintaining the desired settings on any PC or Mac and reduce your IT costs by eliminating software troubleshooting. Faronics Deep Freeze, advanced system integrity.